I will go through macro, futures analysis, on-chain, and social sentiment to get you the full picture that basically everything you will need to see what's really going on with the crypto. So if you're ready, let's go. But before we start, I want to make a little disclaimer. Every project you will see in this video is not endorsed by me. All the projects you see here are the results of using analytical sites and tools, and they are not endorsed by any means by me. Everything you see here is not a financial advice, it's just for informational purposes. And please be extra careful with your journey in crypto. It's very risky market, and you always need to do your own research. Yesterday on Thursday there was two important events: BOE interest rates, Bank of England interest rate, and also jobless claims, which were both better than expected. The interest rate decision was at 4, meaning that there were small cuts, and it also contributes to the bullish sentiment. What are the next events to expect? Next one is obviously unemployment rate in Canada. This has minor effect, but still it all contributes to bullish sentiment. Then we have on 12th of August pretty intense day. There will be interest rate decision in Australia. The consensus and the forecast is going to be 3.6, so it means there will be cuts. Unemployment rate in Great Britain also for 7, expected for 7, also might be interesting indicator to see if it will be higher than expected. Then it means that economy needs stimulus, so it will contribute to further rate cuts. Then very important news piece will be on Tuesday. That will be on Tuesday is ZEW Economic Sentiment Index. It basically shows the sentiment of economist groups towards German economy, and this number varies from -100 till +100, meaning that previous was 52.7, the forecast is 45. It's slightly worse than it was before, but still it's in the positive zone, meaning that economists are generally positive about German economy. Also, the better economy, it usually contributes to risk of behavior of participants. Then one of the most important factor for crypto is inflation rate. It's expected to be at 3, slightly higher. Not the core inflation, but the regular inflation. It's the previous one was 2.7. Forecast is going to be unchanged. Maybe we will see some changes, but consensus is 2.8, that it will be higher. But it's still low number, so it's kind of be small steps towards rate cuts. That could happen soon. Then on Thursday we will see GDP of Great Britain. This is also a little bit important indicator that shows the state of economy, and basically good forecasts also contributes to market participant sentiment. But honestly, I don't think this alone has really strong impact. This needs to be observed in dynamic, and I wouldn't pay attention to it too much. And then on Friday there will be the interesting things will be retail sales in China, meaning that the higher number means the higher consumer assurance in a good economy, in spending. So the higher number usually means that retail going more risk off, they are spending money, and it's obviously it's a good thing for crypto. Okay, let's jump into the charts, into the future markets, and now we will analyze the liquidation maps. For me, liquidation maps is the most base tool out of everything that I've tried in crypto. So especially if paired with options data, this is really nice tool to see where the big guys, the smart money, are moving into, what are they are trying to achieve on the chart. Yeah, what are they trying? What are the levels they are? Where's liquidity? Where's the small guys? So where's the food on the chart? Yeah. So the liquidity maps shows us that short term there's a big cluster to the downside. It lies within 19 up to 119,000 per Bitcoin. So this is the magnet for the price right now. There's also minor clusters to the downside from 16 and to 15. This is also there's also a lot of liquidity. There are a lot of liquidations occur at these prices, same as here, but here it's more, obviously. So if to just tell by this indicator, the price are more inclined to the downside in the short term. If we pair this with the options data, here you can see that option dealers are more afraid that the price will go to the upside. They're hedging the upside movements. So you can see this as more bright colors, right? It's more red. This side is more to the neutral and more to the green side, meaning that market less expect to price go down to this side, to do these numbers. Not just the market. Options is usually used by professional guys to hedge, by professional traders. So we cannot say that this is the general market expectation. Yeah, this is expectation of pro guys, professionals, funds and stuff, the big guys, basically. From this we can see that the big guys are more inclined towards eating this cluster. Probably it will do it. I will finish the recording. It will probably happen. So it depends on when you will see this video. Yeah. So this is what for the short term. Let's see what for the longer term. So I just switch the chart for longer term. Yeah, for longer term this is the same. We need to see what will happen first after 118. It's a huge magnet right now, and then we will see how the balance on the battlefield, on the crypto battlefield will establish, and then after that we can see what will be the next moves. So right now this is the key levels to watch. Okay, and let's see what's for Ethereum, what's for altcoins. If we take Ethereum into consideration, here we see the big cluster to the downside to 3.80 up to this levels. I want to see the bigger picture also. Yeah, Ethereum shows that there's a retracement to be expected in altcoins. So the big cluster, the food, the liquidity lies in this area. So 370. So it is quite logical to expect some retracement in altcoins, especially if the Bitcoin right now will blast past 118. Yeah, it will do this. There's a huge liquidity to the upside for the Bitcoin, and that might be the time where altcoin will go down. It's not it's not 100% though. Let's see the option dealers. Yeah, the option dealers, they're also afraid of the movements to the downside, so they are hedging against it. They are actually a little bit more worried about upside movement, but these charts are both in kind of a same zone, so we cannot say with certainty. All the dealers are really sure that these price levels are really volatile. So they're afraid of both movements. But on the chart we see that the liquidity, the main demand lies here, yeah, in these levels. So it's kind of logical to expect the movement to the downside. Although it's not 100% a guarantee, these charts are sometimes it might be wrong, especially during the very explosive movements on the chart, yeah, where something big happens, the news pumping and stuff like that. But during the just regular period in crypto, this chart is pretty accurate. Okay, that's it for the macro part, and now let's move to the altcoin markets. For this, I will be using Nansen token screener. What especially interests me is smart money feature. Here we will see what smart money doing comparing to retail, where they accumulate and where they distribute. I filtered this screener from 5 million to 1 billion market cap. I'm not really interested in anything below that. There's a lot of scams there and a lot of short, quick-term profit projects, which I'm not really interested in. I also excluded memes, AI agents, AI memes, and everything that is really easy to create, and there's lifespan is really short. So I just removed all that. Now here we will see. Let's start with. Let's see with the distribution. Yeah, let's see what tokens smart money are distributing right now. For this, I will filter my token screener by net flows, by smart money net flows. What interests me here? I'm interested in tokens that are dropping in price, but at the same time, people accumulating them. Yeah, so we see that one token really fits that idea. It's an NMT token. You see that the prices is dropping and the smart money is inflowing, meaning that it's being accumulated by smart money. Interesting, really interesting. Let's maybe zoom in a little bit to 7 days. Yeah, would we see the same token? Yeah, NMT. So we see that yeah, same. Smart money is slowly accumulating it. Yeah. Yeah. But probably the 7 days, 3 days, and 7 days, they show more or less the same data, just to see if this is something that is going on over time or something just happened recently. Yeah. All right, so this potentially interesting token NMT. I don't even know what is that, honestly. I just see it here. It's probably interesting for potential research. Then we see what else? We see startup token. We see inflows and outflows, and the price is dropping. So some guys are picking them up on the going down, on the trending down chart, and you can see the chart is short term going up, but I bet long term it's a, yeah, you see the downside, and the chart looks actually interesting. You see the pumps, so we kind of can expect the same probably. I don't know, but it looks like that. Yeah, maybe we are even close, somewhere near the bottom here. Yeah, probably. Yeah, so this is these tokens are potentially like NMT startup. Yeah, these tokens are potentially interesting to research further because they have interesting positive net flows on their movement down. Yeah, let's maybe check the 7 days as well. Here we see the GP. This is very popular token. I usually very frequently see it here. This one has 70 million market cap. It has decent outflows and inflows. So you see that the token is dropping minus 38%, but the smart money is picking it up. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see the chart. Graphite token. Yeah, the chart looks a little bit ugly, but at the same time, it doesn't look like it's dumping. Yeah, it's dumping, but it's not like one-time dump. It's like slow dump. So it probably nearing the end. Yeah, just judging from what we see before, it's nearing the end, and smart money picking it up again here. So yeah, let's just notice this. It's really interesting. Let's just notice this. For this, I will create an ad, and I'm sorry, not the ad, but I will create a smart alert for this. Yes, I'm interested in smart money token inflow. Yeah, and you see the best thing about Nansen smart alerts, that there's AI, it will create it for you, and the smart alert will come to my Telegram. Okay, here's what to track: smart money, chain Solana. Let's edit this chain. We will select all chains. I'm not sure. Haven't researched this token deeply, so I'll just select all chains. Maybe there's some copies on other chains. 1 day inflow. Alert conditions, outflow. So what I'm really interested in is inflows and outflows. So yeah, one daily outflow of 10,000 would be interesting for me. Additional filters, exclude. Yeah, get notified. Yeah, that's probably what I'm interested in for this token. I want to see if there's further smart money movement on these tokens. So I will just create this alert and see, and I will be notified when smart money continues any further manipulations with this token. I will probably set up this alert for those other two tokens we discovered, and yeah, I'll be monitoring them as well. So this is kind of great thing you can do with Nansen. The only thing is that you don't need to oversleep this, because you know crypto is 24/7, and yeah, usually the alerts come when you sleep. So that's the worst part. But it is what it is. If you want to make money, you need to stay awake. Okay, smart money created. Perfect. We close this. So yeah, this is basically how you can use on-chain analysis to help you make informed decisions, right? This token screener is a really nice tool to do this. All right, so we finished with the altcoins part, and let's move to the part to social media analysis, where we'll try to discover some projects before they even get contract address, before they even listed on the exchanges. We will try to catch something really early there. For this, I will be using Money, social media analysis tool, which I really like. It really takes load off my shoulders, because I don't really like social media, especially crypto social media. There's a lot of noise there, there's a lot of distractions there, and this tool really saves me a lot of time and a lot of effort to go through all this. What you want it or not, KOLs, opinion leaders, influencers are very important in crypto, and you cannot just do not include them in your analysis. And yeah, here in Money you can see all the projects presented in nicely curated list, which I filtered by 7 days. Here you can see all the project that is being talked about in the recent week. I usually filter by smarts. There's smart accounts of influencers that are interested in this project. Yeah, and then I keep my research further. Here's very important stat is a Money score. This score basically shows the momentum, yeah, how the project is doing in the recent week in social media. If it makes a lot of buzz, it will appear at the top, yeah, with the highest score. But what's really interested in is that the projects that are probably less popular, like 160 is a really low money score, but it's already the people start already notice this project. But it has a lot of influencers interested, yeah. So both these projects, UR and Decibel, looks also here, yeah. This project's also Launchpad, yeah. I missed it. It's the first one and I missed it. Yeah, also potentially looks interesting. It has a lot of smart accounts. It only has 2,000 followers, and the score is 3,000. It's making some noise. Yeah, no token, no website, accelerated by XCOM, blah blah blah. So yeah, kind of looking interesting. It's pretty early catch. We can add this to watch list. I made some watch list for myself. I will send it into early catch. Cannot say it's super early, it's early. And I will receive the notifications to my Telegram when somebody will be talking about this token, right? About this project. And maybe the project itself release some kind of CA, contract address, or it will be sent to exchanges. I'll just add it there just to follow. I'm really only interested in what influencers are talking about them. I'm not really interested to do a deep research on these tokens until I see some serious movements and and stuff like that. Same goes for, I don't like this because it's meme. I don't like NFTs. So yeah, next one is DeFi project, which is UR, which is score is really low. Yeah, also kind of interesting. Yeah, why not? Followers 1K. Further to research to see who are the influencers. So here's all the smarts that are interested in this project, and the DeFi. I only know this guy, the DeFi investor. It's a big guy. Yeah, it's the list is solid. The list is very, very solid. I don't know all these guys, but Money simplifies this. They put this big brains, 3 brains. This shows that these guys are really influential in crypto space. Yeah, and they have very huge money scores. The higher the score, the more influential. Not just about the followers, not just about the likes and comments these guys receive. It actually means from whom they receive them. So these guys are really influential. So yeah, why not to add it to the watch list? The project is really, really cool. Seems like that, at least. I don't think that I'm endorsing this project. No, just what I see here, just what I see. And the next one I see is Decibel. Yeah, the name is kind of cool. This is the same. It's a little bit botting. It's on Aptos chain, which is really nice. It's a fresh chain, which is it's a DeFi project. Cool. Decibel is a composable on-chain trading engine for spot perps and yield opportunities. Trade on chain, trade loud with Decibel, no live on DevNet. Okay, some kind of a trading engine, some kind of a trading tool. This is really nice. The description, I like it. Feels like genuine effort to build something. But again, I'm not endorsing it. Don't think this is something I endorse. And guys, this is just for informational purposes. Okay, and let's see the influencers here. The influencers lists are really, really nice. I see the Route to Fi. This is very big guy, very influential. Yeah. The influencer list is really solid, very solid. Yeah, also it's very, very, very early catch. Let's see, maybe the feed. It's a bit louder. Yeah, it's a noise. Somebody also mentioned it. Yeah, you see that the best part about this app, you don't even need to go to X to see what's going on. It's really a relief because it saves you a lot of time analyzing crypto Twitter, crypto X. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I will also add this to the watch list. I kind of think it's a super early catch, but no, still, yeah, probably just early because there are some influencers there already. And here's the way you can find the projects early, and you can watch them and make use of it. I hope you make use of it. All right, that's it for social media analysis, and yeah, let's move and make some conclusions. All right, so to resume, we've gone through the macro. We see that we are expecting quite a bullish week. We analyzed the future market. We see that Bitcoin is wanting to go higher. Bitcoin is showing some strength with this trend, while ETH is aiming to the downside. If we look on the liquidity maps, we also see some confidence by experienced traders. They more confident in the upside move. Then we analyzed the Onchain. We saw some projects like GP and NMT, which are being accumulated during the price drops. We set some notifications for ourselves to see. Maybe in the next video we will revise to see if those were not fake movements. Also, we set some indicators for social media alerts. We found some projects, some early projects on social media. We've set some notifiers, and we will see what will be happening, how their journey will unveil further. I also want to say thank you for your support, guys, for your likes and your reposts. You really helped me make this videos daily. The more views, the more likes and reposts, the more motivation, of course, I have to do this for you. Thank you for your view, and see you in the next episodes.